Good evening. My name is Patray, and today I will be talking about cloud computing. The objectives of this presentation is to list information that you, the user, will be able to learn from the presentation, including the types of service model of cloud computing, local resource requirements, local control, network requirement and security, virtualization platforms, service-oriented architecture, deployment models, private, public, community, and hybrid, security, storage, legal, and privacy issues. 4 types of service models: software as a service, platform as a service, desktop as a service, infrastructure as a service. Software as a service provide web-based software application online via a subscription basis or for purchase. It allows cloud to leverage software architecture, thereby reducing overhead support, maintenance, and operation because applications run on the vendor system. Example is the Microsoft 365 and the Dropbox. Local control is operable by the group manager of subscription service. The network requirement involve connection to software service necessary, and bandwidth differs. The security for software 2 is management that aims to decrease the security risk. Platform as a service provide computing models and solution stacks as a service in which software developers build custom application online without concern about data storage, data service, and management. Example is the Apache Stratus. Local control is operable by the employees through remote access. The security tooling is available and distributed by third-party organizations. Desktop as a service is a cloud-based software that delivers virtual apps and desktop from the cloud to any device by connecting user to a server over the internet via a subscription service. Example is urban mapping. Resource requirement: remote access capability and increased memory speed. Local control: complete control is available to operators and local hosts with permission. Security: desktop provide secure access points for users. Security improvement made by the IT staff. Infrastructure as a service refers to cloud computing services that use virtualized computing resources over the internet, providing user access to computing resources like networking, processing power, and data storage capacity. An example is the Amazon EC2. Local control is controllable through the host system or through system admin login. Connection to the server and internet require broadband connection. Security tools can run native to virtual computing platforms. Virtualization platform. Virtualization is a kind of cloud service or IT infrastructure as a service provided by third-party agency to end users. Resources include both primary and secondary memory, processing power, GPU, etc. The top 5 virtualization platforms are VMware, easy to use and has robust security features. It is the best option for virtualization. Citrix has remote access to. Microsoft provide everything a business requires from virtualization service to many others. Oracle provide data management systems service to customer relation management. is they have a desktop virtualization to app virtualization features. Amazon, the EC2 Amazon platform provides infrastructure for small and mid-range businesses and has scalable features. Service-oriented architecture, SOA. What is SOA? SOA is a software design where services are provided to other components through applications. It aids in making software communicate with other tools and is usable for clients. Why do we use SOA? SOA is used for scalability by lowering the client service interaction rate as well as by reducing costs. Deployment models. These models exist under a variety of titles, including private cloud, which exists exclusively for a single organization, end user, or group. It resides behind a firewall. Public cloud. This model will enable access by authenticated users. It is created from IT infrastructure now owned by the end user. Community cloud. This model refers to a group of organizations involved in the same industry, for example, a banking group. A hybrid cloud. This model is both public and private and allows two platforms to interact seamlessly with data and application moving from one to the other. Security and storage. Security for most cloud platforms exists on the platform level and is determined by what platform is being used, what tools are available, and what functions are required. Storage involves storage of information pertaining to the operation of the cloud platform is managed remotely, enabling further security capability plus a backup of data that occurred without being configured by the host organization. Legal and privacy issues include concerns regarding cloud platform include data is accessible to the cloud service host. The server failure may result in data being lost. Service disruption and data loss issue. Data privacy control. Data may be lost when migrating to the clouds. This is the end of my presentation. These are my references. Thank you for your time.